Hello friends, welcome back with one more sentence correction question. This is again one of the official guide questions. Level is medium, range is 650, concept is parallelism. When you glance any passage, remember if you find conjunctions, if you find idioms, it may be question of parallelism. What if underlined words are close to conjunctions or idioms? No doubt it is parallelism question. Let's understand passage. Until recently, American presidents lived in a world in which the public and private realms of their lives were largely separate, and the press cooperated in maintaining distinction, and Americans judged national leaders without receiving or expecting intimate information about them. What if I consider three entities? President lived, press cooperated, and American judged. So this is extra conjunction, right? So and remove, because this and should be removed. And removed, where removed? For cannot be used. For cannot be used. Why? Because if we use for, there will be no parallelism. In which means not possible. It's been we have taken incorrect entity. Why incorrect entity? Because President lived, X, press cooperated, Y, American judged, Z. So X, Y, Z, there should not be any comma. And here it must be that. In that case, if you notice, that is here, but this is incorrect. So incorrect entity, and where not possible, and but for. The phrase for means press cooperated, another conjunction does not make any sense, because the sense will be in a world in which the public and private realms of their lives were largely separate, because the press cooperated. So no logic. For, last conjunction cannot be for, right? Because for is used only for two entities. So ultimately there is no sense. What is correct entity here? Correct entity is American president lived in a world in which public and private realms of their lives were largely separate, in which the press cooperated in maintaining distinction, in which Americans judged. So in a world in which X, in which Y, in which Z, and that is option E. President lived in a world in which public and private were largely separate, press cooperated maintaining distinction, and American judged the world where they lived. And that's why option E is the best option. In which and in which three entities. So option E is the best option.